Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a real estate postcard on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section and click to the marketing option. Scroll down and click to the real estate postcard next to the banner landscape option. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures to your postcard, just click to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, grid charts and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select one and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and just select another color. If you want to change the picture, just go to the gallery or the uploads button, select the picture and just drag it to the selected frame. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and writing. If you want to change the style of your text, just click to the arrow next to the beautifully delicious text type name, and here you can choose another text style or font type. Just select one and step on it. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.